This will be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable notifications on the Firefox app. I will be using an iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone open now. To enable or disable notifications on the Firefox app, the way you do that, you want to tap on the phone's settings. Then you want to scroll down and you want to find Firefox. Right here is Firefox. I'm going to tap on that. And right in here, notifications. You want to tap on notifications. And by default, allow notifications should be turned off. As you can see here, it's turned off. To allow notifications, you want to toggle this on. Now it will ask you, what type of notifications do you want? Do you want notifications on your lock screen, notification center, banner? You can toggle on or off sounds. You can toggle on or off badges. Enable or disable notifications on the Firefox app. Thanks for watching.